Steps to implementing ISO 22301 Foundation, a complete.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
It's the guide. Incidents such as natural disasters, types of cyber attacks, or internal malfunctions can force businesses to close completely. An organization faces the risk of losing money, time, and even its reputation if it does not have a strong business continuity management system (BCMS) in place. ISO 22301 is useful in this situation. It is a global standard for business continuity that helps in incident order to prepare an incident response for companies that experience breakdowns in vital operations. This guide will help you implement the ISO 22301 Foundation and make sure your company is ready for any possible threats. 9 steps to implementing ISO 22301 Foundation. Below are the essential steps to implement ISO 22301 Foundation. Step 1. Perform a thorough gap analysis. A thorough gap analysis is the first step in implementing the ISO 22301 Foundation. This involves assessing the benefits and drawbacks of your current business continuity processes. The ISO 22301 standards can be used to compare your current practices with and recognize areas that require improvement. You're using this analysis as a guide to improve your business continuity management system (BCMS). Key questions for gap analysis. Do we have existing business continuity measures? Are these measures aligned with ISO 22301 standards? What critical business functions need immediate attention? You can see what assets are accessible and what gaps need to be filled to achieve ISO 22301 compliance with a very well gap analysis. Step 2. Defining the scope and objectives of the BCMS. The next stage of implementing ISO 22301 Foundation is to determine the parameters of your business continuity management system (BCMS) going to follow the gap analysis. This involves trying to decide which overall organizational divisions will be covered by the BCMS and trying to establish specific goals. Define the scope by answering: which critical operations or departments should the BCMS cover? What products or services are essential for business continuity? Furthermore, it is imperative that with strategic objectives of your organization be in line BCMS objectives. For example, your BCMS should seek to reduce delivery of services outages during a crisis if maintaining is your top priority. During the ISO 22301 implementation process, the scope will act as an action plan, outlining the crucial business areas that require safety.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.